Some pretty flowers. Oh, redbird.
There's an off-beach ramp right there, baby. Go down to the creek.
Trying to think if you want to go climbing something now.
You know I know.
Where we going?
Hey, you can't go no.
Wanna go up this way?
I'm over it.
Do you want to? That's what I'm asking you. Well, maybe not.
I ain't even started looking at how far we don't walk.
We done walked a minute, not too long, but long enough, probably for half a mile.
It's been about half a mile. Easily.
Great. So,
Been down the
guys,
creek.
we are,
I said he's probably been down the creek.
yeah, he was wet. We are enjoying sitting here for a second, catch our breath, and then we're gonna get back at it. I'm gonna have to cut all that out because I'm playing with my, here I go.
Vanity.
No, it's just I got a wig on. I want to make sure it's stuck.
He's saying that on the camera. You could have still kept all that footage. Let's see, just saying, oh, I got a wig on. But then again, that's being real. So.
Because you said vanity. I'm like, no, that ain't what it is. I just want to make sure. It ain't walked up off my head. That's it.
Mm-hmm.
We could, I guess, the places we're going to have to pick from is going to be them canteens. Baby. Oh, no, that's for my birthday.
What?
Remember we supposed to go to, but they might not be selling food at the brewery.
Arlo's getting up there.
They might have.
People up there.
They may not, that's okay.
I'm gonna throw away. Throw it towards nobody, okay? Don't throw away.
You're adorable. I like this thing, whatever it is. Oh, babe, look, this thing's down. Oh, it's got words on it. Ooh. The pergola. Oh, what's it called, a pergola?
Pergola? She was hiding behind the wood.
That was cute, though. I wish I had one of these doors. Wouldn't it be nice
Yeah.
if we had one in the yard?
Oh, there's the other stuff way back there. That might be a houses though.
You
Might be
think
like the
so?
entrance in. You know, I was gonna say that because we look.
Which place? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, so pretty. Oh my God. You guys, this is so pretty. This is what they call a Zen garden, I guess. Zenful, relaxing. Ooh, what is that supposed to be? Water? See the little holes in that one?
Maybe. Maybe.
I'm not sure.
Weeping Blue Spruce. Pine tree is hanging all the way down.
What?
Any invasive species too, just like you have all those little honeysuckle or hydrangeums or whatever.
Yeah.
And you got like, again, that's the plant, the creeping juniper.
This
and
one?
you have the other one, the little pine.
Yeah. Wow.
You got the little Japanese maples.
Where you see them at? What
You
they
got
look?
that one back.
That's the red color one, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Is those really called weeping willows? That tree? You see that tree right there? Or is that called a bonsai tree?
Yeah, well, no, that's like the thing with the bonsai. I'd be like this one over here is overgrown.
Okay, I see it.
It's a little small one right there. Like, almost like
Right, well, I see it too. So pretty. I thought I'd show you guys us again so you're just not looking at a bunch of greenery, but we are sitting in the Zen garden right now and it's really, really peaceful. I can't wait to come back and maybe some more flowers will be done bloom.
in about a week, next weekend when it's warm, 80s.
Yeah, about a week or so. What it is today, because it's doggone hot. It's
Almost
really
80.
This is pretty. I wonder what that is because they got it gated off.
What?
This right here in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
You see how it's gated off?
Yeah, like 3 leaves on the end, maybe like some poison oak or something.
Let me show you guys what we're looking at. This right here they have in a fence and it's blocked off, so I'm assuming that means don't touch, but it has no sign, so I don't really know what it is.
You know, it might be to keep out the deer or something too.
Yeah, could be. Let me draw it in. This right here, you guys know what this is? Anybody know what that kind of plant is? So it's saying we did 2, 3, what is that?
2377.
That's the steps,
2,377 steps.
Right. Mm-hmm. Look how this twine, this thing looks. I wonder why, and it's roped off. I mean, it's fenced off
Hard
too.
to tell how it grows. Atlas cedar.
That's what that was called, huh?
See the pine cones coming through bigger on this pine.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Real
With
small
the
ones.
pines. I see 'em. Oh, I can't wait to go to the botanical gardens and stuff. Isn't that pretty?
Almost like your hospice.
These got somewhat like a little fur on them.
That's like those plants that are growing, those flowers that are growing in the house. Those orange ones?
Yeah. Oh my God, look at these little furry balls. Go pipe. I wonder, can I, no. What if I fail? You want to film me walk across it? Or you think I'll fall? Make sure you looking at it like that.
Man, baby.
So you think I'm gonna fall? Huh?
I hope not.
Is it slippery? Are you gonna meet?
I see footsteps on there, so I don't know, baby. I don't know.
I'm scared.
Then get off of it. If you're scared, get off.
I want to be with you. I'm not gonna go across. I'm stopped here.
Okay, yeah, because I'm... You gotta go back.
I gotta go back.
Beautiful.
I'm scared.
I know, so just walk on normally.
I'm scared. It don't move or shake or nothing. We going through here?
There's people down there.
Ooh, I can't wait to do that, boo. Actually get in one. Oh, look at the dogs. Look at the big black one over there. They're so cute. They're cute dogs. Oh, man, look at the kids out here playing on the walls. Oh, that's adorable.
Beep.
You see it? Oh my God, I wonder who built that. You can actually go in there.
Yeah. It's a teepee, baby.
I don't know. I'm a little scared. I'm a little iffy. I'm a little iffy. I can definitely tell that's what that is. What? What?
Right down the rock.
Here he go. It didn't have no eyes.
It didn't have those type of eyes. Just look for baby.
I want to see what's behind it. Just look over it. Fell in the water?
He said, I think it's a little bit shallower over here.
Yeah, he's getting used to the whole water thing too.
Oh yeah. Our girl is like 7 years old and she still ain't used to it. She'll go jump in the tub for a bath, but she don't want to get in the river.
That's funny. There you go. Good job.
Baby, where's the snake part at? I don't want to be by it. It's on that side. Okay. You want to go up by them? Oh, right here, baby. This ain't where the snake was it? In your hand. I got it. No, it's not deep as I thought. I thought it was gonna be steep.
Hey, y'all watch out, there's a snake down there on that log.
We found one before. We got a picture of it a couple years ago, a long one.
Yeah,
Right
one.
over here.
You can see it right now?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's right
it's sitting
Oh,
right here on the log. On the log.
are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it. Right there, a snake sitting right there. Look. On top of the log. It's
Right there, baby. Be
Yeah,
careful,
we got
be
a
careful,
picture of it
baby.
last year.
Right there.
Heck no.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, the one we found was way bigger. It was huge.
Thank you. I didn't even see that.
And then we found it right along the banks of it, just like on the edge.
Oh my goodness.
Hello, Laura.
It was like 10 times the size of that.
She went put
These girls aren't scared of bugs.
I see.
To be honest, it looks like a ball python.
It is. You should have took a. Oh, we did. We could act- I wonder how far we done did this time.
We only had like almost 4,000 steps.
That's a lot of steps when you think about it.
It is. But we still ain't where we need to be.
No. We're getting there though. We're starting to put this as a daily thing, guys. This walking.
I like this.
Actually, it's
like,
relaxing, ain't it?
I like the trail for a little, I mean the regular path for a little bit, but I love these trails.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah.
It's peaceful. If you got a lot going on in your mind and you come out and walk and have scenery like this, it's so nice.
Think about it and get past it.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big old water.
I wasn't filming all that time.
Probably stopped me, probably full.
Woohoo! It is hot. Now, guys, we are headed to somewhere to get us something to eat and drink. Let's see, what did we do? We did pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, guys, this is where we were finna eat at. Oh no, it ain't bad at all. It is, but so many people. Look at them sitting up down their roof. Look back and stuff. It's open. What's it called? Bar Nails or something?
See if they got anything
Well-
going up.
So we have made it to Buffalo Wild Wings, and they have it where you can eat out. So that's what we're doing, and I think I'm going to get some Asian zing wings. My face oily, but I do have my mask. But we're over here kind of like by ourselves, so I don't have to worry about really like putting this guy on. What you gonna get, baby?
Some, what all comes on that your appetizer?
Where's the appetizer?
It doesn't say what's on the page, it says house appetizer. It's right there on the other side. Where it says bar food. House sample. Right there. They don't say what's on there.
You see the word bar food?
On the side, I just pointed out where it was with.
They had strawberry lemonade, passion fruit something. They have other drinks. You want to try that? Strawberry lemonade? Or Tropicana lemonade? You can't drink a beer. Can you drink beer?
Quick question. On the house sample, what is all on it?
It has wings, onion rings.
Flat? What kind do you want? The Asian thing? She want to do that,
I hope it's good. I'm trying.
the Asian thing. Let me ask you a question. On those $3 talls, what size are they?
Wait. Well, you know, we let Bud Light alone start drinking the packs. So, you want to try Bud Light again?
You know what? I do need something to drink, though, soda-wise.
Here you go. Be good.
Okay.
And we want 2 blue ribbons.
Yeah, 2 PBR.
I think that's it for the second. Yeah. Thank you. They had cheese sticks. I mean, yeah, mozzarella sticks. I wonder what this is.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Oh yeah, it tastes good.
Put that up on your bar.
Yeah, so we got our food. I was just too busy talking and stuff, so I didn't get to show you, but my wings are here. I have some cheese sticks, some nachos. It looks good and it tastes good, so I'm gonna hop off here and enjoy my food and we'll be back. Okay.